Home has been rehabilitated west/new hardware, appliances, granite countertops in kitchen, laundry and both bathrooms. New roof installed July 2022. New carpet upstairs and new vinyl plank flooring downstairs in living areas. Upstairs is 3 bedrooms west/full bath. Main level includes 1 bedroom/1.5 baths, kitchen, 2 family areas and office. Several windows have been replaced, as well as both condenser units. LED light fixtures have replaced old can lights, along west/exterior lights. Bryant Schools. See agent remarks.